Lick number 7, as the progression goes from E minor 7 to the F sharp Hendrix, we go okay, so what are we doing here? That's a simple one. It's called a double stop because we're hitting 2 notes at the same time. So we go to the 6th E with the index and the 7th B with the middle. And then we just move up 1 fret. Slide back where we were. Then we bar with our middle finger both B and E and repeat that. So lick 8 again goes over comes out of this. With your ring finger, you bend 9th fret G string. We bar the B and E string in the 7th fret, okay, and then we bend. Sounds very familiar, sounds very Chuck Berry, yes, so that's kind of like a Chuck Berry type lick. Then we go into